নমস্কাৰ মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, তোমালোকক মোৰ অনলি ষ্টাডি ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি উৰুকা এডভেঞ্চাৰৰ কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰবোৰ ডিছকাছ কৰিম। আহা এতিয়া ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। Let's see how much you have understood the story. Answer the questions. A. Who was the leader of the boys in their adventure on Uruka night? উৰুকা ৰাতিৰ যিটো এডভেঞ্চাৰ আছিল তাত কোনে লিড লৈছিল? আনচাৰ মহেন ৱাজ দ্য লিডাৰ অফ দ্য বয়জ ইন দেয়াৰ এডভেঞ্চাৰ অন উৰুকা নাইট। মহেনে লিডাৰ হৈছিল উৰুকা নাইটৰ যিটো এডভেঞ্চাৰ আছিল তাত লিডাৰ হৈছিল মহেন। হোৱাট ৱেৰ দ্য নেমছ অফ মহেনছ ফ্ৰেণ্ড? মহেনৰ বন্ধুবৰ্গৰ নাম কি আছিল? আনচাৰ দে ৱেৰ সঞ্জু, নন্টু, ৰিংকু এণ্ড ৰোমান। C. What did they propose to Mohen on Uruka night? উৰুকা ৰাতি মহেনক সিহঁতে কি প্ৰপ'জ কৰিছিল? Answer. They proposed that Mohen should lead them in an Uruka adventure. সিহঁতে মহেনক উৰুকা ৰাতিত এডভেঞ্চাৰত লিড ল'ব কৈছিল। What was the age-old custom that Mohen was referring? মহেনে ৰেফাৰ কৰা age-old customটো কি আছিল? Answer. Boys steal vegetables from vegetable garden of the villagers at night. This is one of the age-old custom of Assam. ল'ৰাবোৰে ভেজিটেবল গাৰ্ডেনৰ পৰা ভেজিটেবল চুৰ কৰাটো এটা বিহুৰ ৰাতি মাঘ বিহু উৰুকাৰ দিনা চুৰ কৰাটো এটা age-old custom আছিলে অসমৰ। What was the Mohen's reaction to their proposal? সিহঁতৰ প্ৰপ'জেলটোত মহেনৰ ৰিয়েকশ্যন কেনেকুৱা আছিলে? Answer. Mohen jumped excitedly and looked at his friends with an air of authority. মহেনে এক্সাইটেড হৈ পেলাই জঁপিয়াই উঠিছে আৰু বন্ধুবৰ্গলৈ এনেকুৱা দৃষ্টিৰে চাইছে যেন তেওঁ সিহঁততকৈ ক্ষমতাশালী। What did the boys do after the feast? ভোজৰ পিছত ল'ৰাবোৰে কি কৰিলে? Answer. After the feast, they went to steal vegetables from Shantiram's vegetable garden. ভোজ খোৱাৰ পাছত ল'ৰাবোৰে কি কৰিলে? শান্তিৰামৰ ভেজিটেবল গাৰ্ডেনৰ পৰা ভেজিটেবল চুৰ কৰিবলৈ গ'ল। Who was Shantiram? শান্তিৰাম কোন আছিলে? Answer. Shantiram was a retired army man and farming was his hobby. শান্তিৰাম এজন অৱসৰপ্ৰাপ্ত আৰ্মী বিষয়া আছিল আৰু তেওঁৰ হবি আছিল ফাৰ্মিং। Age. Why was Shantiram sitting wrapped in a black blanket? Where was Shantiram sitting? শান্তিৰামে কিয় ব্লেক ব্লেংকেট উৰি আছিলে আৰু শান্তিৰাম ক'ত বহি আছিলে? Answer. Shantiram thought that boys might come to steal vegetables from his garden, so he was guarding his garden. শান্তিৰামে ভাবিছিল ল'ৰাবোৰে ৰাতি তেওঁ ভেজিটেবল গাৰ্ডেনৰ পৰা ভেজিটেবল চুৰ কৰিব আহিব আৰু সেইকাৰণে তেওঁ নিজৰ গাৰ্ডেনখনক পহৰা দি আছিল। He was sitting like a black heap, wrapped in a black blanket in the middle of the rows of vegetables. তেওঁ কেনেকৈ বহি আছিলে? এটা ক'লা জাবৰৰ দমৰ নিচিনা লাগিছিল দেখি পেলাই। ব্লেক ব্লেংকেট উৰি পেলাই এটা জাবৰৰ দমৰ নিচিনা তেওঁ ভেজিটেবলবোৰৰ মাজত বহি আছিলে। What was the black heap of garbage that Mohen noticed? মহেনে ন'টিচ কৰা ব্লেক হিপটো কি আছিলে? It was Shantiram himself. তেওঁ কি আছিলে? শান্তিৰাম আছিলে। Who was guarding the vegetables garden? যোনে গাৰ্ডেনখনক পহৰা দি আছিল। What made the night appear more haunting? Answer. That day the night was cold and very silent. Moreover, the nightjar was screeching early at regular intervals. It made the atmosphere more haunting. সেইদিনাখনৰ ৰাতিটো আছিলে ঠাণ্ডা আৰু পুৰা চাইলেণ্ট আৰু তেতিয়া নাইটজাৰ এটা ফেঁচাৰ নিচিনা এবিধ চৰাই হয় যিয়ে অহৰহে মাতি আছিল আৰু সেই মাতটোৱে পৰিৱেশটো ভয়ংকৰ কৰি তুলিছিলে। Why did the boys run away from garden? ল'ৰাবোৰে গাৰ্ডেনৰ পৰা কিয় দৌৰি গৈছিল? They thought a ghost was chasing them, so they ran away from the garden. সিহঁতে ভাবিছিল সিহঁতৰ পাছত কি আছিলে? ভূত আছিলে আৰু সিহঁতে সেইটো কাৰণে দৌৰিছিলে। What happened then when the boys were about to pick the vegetables? যেতিয়া ল'ৰাবোৰে শাক পাচলি ছিগিব লৈছিল তেতিয়া কি হৈছিলে? Answer. When they were about to pick the vegetables, Shantiram jerked up and chased the boys. তেতিয়া কি কৰিছিল শান্তিৰামে উঠি পেলাই ল'ৰাকেইটাক খেদিছিল ভয় দেখাইছিল Who did the boys think chased them? সিহঁতে কোন বুলি ভাবিছিল সিহঁতক chase কোনে কৰিছিল বুলি ভাবিছিল Answer They thought a ghost chased them. সিহঁতে ভাবিছিল ভূতে ভয় খুৱাইছিল সিহঁতে ভাবিছিল সিহঁতক ভূতে chased কৰিছিল Here are some of the events that happened on Uruka night, but they are not arranged in the proper order. Arrange the sentences in the proper sequence and then read the lesson to check your answer. Etu proper sequence arrange koribo dise. Answer Sanju, Nantu, Rinku, Rumon and Mohen planned an adventure on Uruka. Just past midnight, the 5 boys headed towards Shantiram's vegetable garden. Mohen saw something like a black heap of garbage in the middle of the garden. Shantiram ran towards the boys when the boys were about to pick the vegetables. The boys ran frantically out of the garden, scared that the ghost was after them. Number 3. Look at the words in the 2 boxes below. One contains the names and the other contains their descriptions. Match the words to their descriptions and write them in your notebook. Uruka, the annual feast headed of Magh Bihu. Shantiram, a retired army man who was interested in farming. Sanju, Nantu, Rinku and Ruman, the 4 friends of Mohendra. Mohendra, the leader of the adventure on Uruka night. The nightjar, small spices of oil. Nongola, a bamboo gate. 4. Here are some words from the lesson. Match the words with their meaning to check your understanding. Propose, to suggest a plan, an idea, etc. Restless, unable to stay still. Custom, an accepted way of behaving or of doing things in society. Feast, a large or special meal, specially for a lot of people. Frantically, done quickly and with a lot of activity, but in a way that is not very well organized. Read the lesson once again and write in the box the names of the person or people who said the lines given below. In which paragraph does its sentence occur? Oh yes, it is our age-old custom. Etu kune koisile Mohene koisile second paragraph. We will spend the night in our bhela ghor. Etu koisil Sanjue second paragraph. What will we carry the vegetables in? Etu koisile Mohene 4th paragraph. Never mind, we will carry as much as possible in each hands. Friends replied 4th paragraph. বন্ধুবৰ্গ 4 নম্বৰ paragraphটোত replied কৰিছিল. Let's learn some grammar. Now rewrite the following sentences using the short form of will. Mohen said will make a velaghor. যেনেকৈ আমি কওঁ we will আৰু short formত হ'লে হ'ব will. They will আৰু এইটো আমি কেনেকৈ ক'ম they'll spend the night in the velaghor. Sanju thought when everyone is asleep I will বুলি কওঁ এইটো আমি এতিয়া ক'ব লাগিব I'll pick vegetables. Mohen said we will help each other to cook the food. এইটো will টোক আমি will. Now check your grammar. Rewrite these sentences by changing the underlined verbs to express future time. Mohen called his friends to his house. Answer: Mohen will call his friends to his house. Mohan jumped up in joy. Mohan will jump up in joy. They decide to celebrate Uruka together. They will decide to celebrate Uruka together. They plan to hold a feast in Mohan's house. They will plan to hold a feast in Mohan's house. They went to pick vegetables from Santiram's garden. We will go to pick vegetables from Santiram's garden. Read the story and write down the words ending with ly. One is done for you. Answer excited. ly dile excitedly hobo. Torun was excitedly waiting for his HSLC result. Gleefully যদি আমি তাৰ লগত ly লগাই দিওঁ gleefully হ'ব. Jodu gleefully gave ₹100 to the beggar, তাৰমানে ভিক্ষাৰী, as he asked for food to Jodu. Quietly, Mohan and his friends quietly reached Santiram's vegetables garden. Frantically, the boys frantically ran to save their lives as they thought a ghost was chasing them. Name a festival that all Indians celebrate in the month of January. Discuss with your partner and write a few lines on it. Answer: Republic Day কি গণতন্ত্ৰ দিৱস কেতিয়া পালন কৰা হয় 26 জানুৱাৰী We Indians celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year with prompt and dignity. On 26th January 1950, our nation turned into the total democratic republic after fortification of the Constitution of India in the Indian Parliament. On this day, people forget their religion, caste, creed, sex, and unite to celebrate the Republic Day. The main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at Rajpath before the President of India. Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, and other paramilitary forces march past in all their finery and official decoration. India's states show their rich culture heritage by their decorated tableau. Republic Day is also celebrated in our schools, colleges, and other educational institutes and government offices. Republic Day আৰু ক'ত ক'ত পতা হয় আমাৰ স্কুলবিলাকত আমি পাতোঁ, কলেজত পতা হয় আৰু এডুকেশ্যনেল ইনষ্টিটিউটবিলাকত পতা হয় আৰু চৰকাৰী অফিচবিলাকত পতা হয়. People stand up under the national flag of India, recite our national anthem, and remember and give homage to our freedom fighters and martyrs. তাৰমানে 26 জানুৱাৰী গণতন্ত্ৰ দিৱসৰ দিনা আমি ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় পতাকাৰ তলত থিয় হৈ আমি কি কৰোঁ নেশ্যনেল এন্থেম ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় সংগীতটো আমি ৰিচাইট কৰোঁ আৰু আমাৰ মাৰ্টায়াৰ ফ্ৰীডম ফাইটাৰবোৰক আমি ৰেচপেক্ট দিওঁ, তেওঁলোকক আমি ৰিমেম্বাৰ কৰোঁ, মনত পেলাওঁ তেওঁলোকৰ যি কষ্ট যি ত্যাগ যাৰ কাৰণে আমি আজি আমাৰ দেশ স্বাধীন হ'ল আৰু যাৰ কাৰণে আমি আজি স্বাধীন হৈ থাকিব পাৰিছোঁ. Question number 9. Read the verbs in a column A and write their past forms in column B as shown in the examples. Answer: buy, bought, catch, caught, teach, taught, bring, brought, fight, fought. 10. Can you think of more words ending with GHT? GHT থকা word লিখিব দিছে. Not short. Look at the pictures in the boxes A and read the dialogue in the bubble. Now choose the correct response from those in a box B to fill up the bubble C. Answer: don't worry, I am okay. You carry on, I'll join in a while. 12. Read the following words. Some of them are related to adventure. Find out the meaning of those words and make sentences with them. Jodu and Madhu planned a long bicycle ride tomorrow at 5 a.m. Thrill. The news of his death went through the states as with an electric thrill. Excitement. Madhu's excitement has gone as he heard the news of Assam Bandh. Enjoyment. There was great excitement before the match began. Feast. The boys of our village organized a feast tonight. Cooperation. There must have good cooperation among the countries in the world to fight against the global warming. Custom. Stealing vegetables on Uruka night is age-old custom in Assam. Experiment. Scientists all over the world are busy in experiment to find out the effective vaccine for COVID-19. Night. Boys organize a feast on Uruka night. Voice. The thief might have heard the voice of the householder. He left the things and ran away.